Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on automatic downloads on Apple Music. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you would like all of the songs you add to your Apple Music library to download automatically, then this is what to do. Open your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down to and tap on Music. Scroll down to Automatic Downloads and turn the toggle on. Now when you add a song to your library, it will automatically download so you can listen to it offline. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Music tips and tricks.